And another Tuesday, this Tuesday. Yes, I like this day, 21 of March, almost exactly 6 o'clock in the afternoon on time with Gilberto Lopez. Hello, Gil. How are you?
Hello, Charlie. I'm very good. Thank you for asking. And today we're going to have a very exciting program. So I will invite everyone to say hi and to send us messages. How's the market right now?
Terrible, terrible, terrible. Everything is coming very weird and going down so fast, and something is going up because um, the break, the money's gone, the banks. There were three, now is four, and one bank helped another bank. And oh my God, it's really bad what is happening in the United States and the decision of finances um, in the big city, in the big New York, is coming terrible. Because this morning we are with the different numbers, my friend. Can I ask you a question that nobody asked you again before?
Yes, let's do it. But I just want to mention that all these three banks, at least the first three, they have to do a lot with the metaverse. So if they go down, probably the metaverse go down. But I have something very good to tell
Yes.
you, and I'm gonna tell
Yes.
you just about the end of this program. So let's go with your question, Charlie.
Yes. Well, yes. Thank you, and we will receive your speech in the end of the program. Okay. This is weird because everything was very good almost 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. We didn't realize that the banks in the United States is going to going down, and maybe they are going to disappear, or maybe they are going to change names. We don't know. But the question is, what do you think? And I'm sorry, you say already the metaverse, and we are going to talk about the metaverse. What do you think we need to do right now? That's my question.
Well, right now, what we have to do is we have to take care of our money because money is gonna be very weird. It's gonna be like very rare to be able to get more money. I was just looking at the news today, and there were so many professors just complaining outside of a building because they want to get more money into their pockets, and this seems to be the same thing for everyone working right now in the states. Last week, I was just saying that I was just viewing another news that people who used to serve the country in the United States, they don't have enough money to pay their bills. So the, even if they live in Texas, because we regularly think that only if you live in California everything is expensive, and if you live outside California, it's not that expensive. Well, people who used to work for the military and then now they are retired and they are in their homes in Texas, they don't have enough money to live. So what is going to happen in the next year or 2 years, because everything is going up, and exactly this recession, the inflation, the prices going up is what is causing this bankrupt. The banks are just having a break because they cannot pay the same amount of interest rate the government is paying. So that's why the banks are just having bankruptcy.
Yes, that's true. And they collapse, and the break banks is making a lot of noise, a lot of weird things uh, to don't invest. And you say it very clear. Keep your money right now. Is the only way to know what is going to happen is to be watching, is to be quiet, is to be listening, and to be sure that something is going to happen very soon, because the money that they have and the way that they resolve these economic problems sometimes is in the same day, or sometimes maybe never. But in this case, I believe something is going to happen between the war, between the metaverse and between these break banks problems. And I'm very scared about what is going to happen with the Mexican investment that they decide to go to Mexico, because we have problems with our president and they decide to go there. They didn't decide to go to Canada, or they didn't decide to go to Australia because it's too far away. And right now, a lot of people is coming back. What do you think about that?
Well, that's a migration problem. Then people is coming to Mexico because they have more opportunities. For $1 they have 18 pesos, so or at least 18 pesos. So they have a
You're
lot
right.
more. They have a lot more money to invest in the renting, in houses, in eating, because the prices of going out for dinner in the United States is very expensive. You come to Mexico and it's very cheap, and it's a lot more better than what you can get in the in the United States. But the thing here is that people going from Canada or from United States to Mexico, they are gonna increase the prices in Mexico too. So the inflation in Mexico is gonna be higher than what it is today. So the best thing you can do is, and you will never have more enough money to say I'm gonna start saving right now, because you will never have that unless you take the action and you say, you know what, whatever happens, I'm gonna spend a little less and save some money today. And that's the best decision you can make right now. You can make the decision to just start investing, just saving money, and make a little investment, as we are mentioning here for a lot of a lot of programs for about a year ago. Is You can invest in the metaverse, and we invite you to invest at least $200, and you will get around $1 million in 20 years. You can say, well, I will not have 18 years more. I won't live that far. But imagine that you want to give this to your grandsons or to your childs or whatever. In 20 years, they will have enough money to pay their tuition. They will have enough money to pay their bills. And otherwise, they're going to be like you, probably having trouble to pay the daily accounts, the daily invoices that are arriving just for living. So if you forget about $200 and invest them today in cryptocurrency, you can make a huge investment, a huge money in the future. And what I was thinking is, let's go to the prices, Charlie. All
Yes,
the
please.
cryptocurrencies
Yes.
are going up. All the cryptocurrencies are going up.
Okay.
Is It's starting with Bitcoin 16%, Ethereum 7.8, and XRP 25.7. But Polygon is going down, and also Shiba is going down by 0.5%, less than 1%. What happens with this explanation if the banks are just going down, and the banks that still have the money of the cryptocurrency, the money of the cryptocurrencies companies, and the money of the metaverse companies? Well, the thing here is that we don't rely on the traditional banking system, and you rely on the cryptocurrency system. And also, what is happening is that even though the banks are going down and the startups have problems financing, that's for sure. The government has to invest in startups, companies, the futuristic companies, and the companies that are making the new trends and the new technology, because the war is not only with guns and people, it's also in the technology business. So suddenly you will see some investments from the government, or some projects to save the companies in the metaverse and the cryptocurrency too. They will save that.
God. Well, let's do it, and let's. Everything that you recommend to us is very good, and I appreciate this really. And if we need to wait and to see what is going to happen. But in the same time, uh, what do you think to do with the people that can invest right now? What is the better decision to invest? Nothing about this. Do you recommend, or you recommend to wait?
First of all, I just want to say hi to Patricia Guadalupe. Thank you, Patricia Guadalupe,
Oh yes,
because you're with
yes,
us.
from
And
Mexico.
yeah, and I will recommend to make the investment right now. Just don't wait more time, because it can go up, it can go down, we don't know with precision. But whatever we know is that in every model we have made, the cryptocurrency is going to go up for a high. It's going to be sky crazy. So if you invest in the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu right now, you will have a lot of coins, and you just will bet to that cryptocurrency hit the price of $1, one single dollar, and you will be millionaire. So that's what we have to do, and we have the investment. We have to save it for at least 17 to 22 years, and then you will have the price. The Shiba Inu will be priced at $1, and you will have a lot of millions in your bank account. So that's my recommendation.
Well, that's a good one. Of course, we are with an expert. Guys, please watch us every Tuesday at 6 o'clock on time. Really, really here we can hear Gilberto Lopez every Tuesday telling us everything what is happening in all this crazy market. I'm very excited in the way to say that be careful. Be careful. Right now, Gilberto said everything perfect and clear. If you can share, if you can compare also this program with another programs, what the information is real or not real, and we are alive. Thank you for Patricia that is with us. She's watching us. And also remember that all the medias have chat. Write a question, write anything you want to ask. And also I recommend that if you like it or not like it, share it. Share to the people you want to help them. Okay, Gil. Let me see our time. Whoa, we have 12 minutes in here, alive here. What do you think? Are we still talking? Can I ask you another question?
I think we have to save that for the next program. Thank you, Charlie, for everything. Just we have a short time this time, and if you like it, just hit hi or send us a love button.
Well, remember that you are really very short and very exactly in time. Well, this is the way to say goodbye, guys. See you later.